but also for the entire Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao. As you all know, Malaysia is part of the International Monitoring Team for what Bangsamoro Autonomous Region has today. So, you are our partners. Now, we go to the collaboration in research, healthcare, education, training, and more, including not only doctors, but nurses, allied health professionals, pre-graduate and postgraduate trainees. We believe that by building bridges of knowledge and partnership with you, we can strengthen our capacity to deliver quality and culturally sensitive healthcare for our communities. May I introduce to you our guests from Malaysia, Dr. Professor Harmy, the highly respected Dean of the College of Medicine, whose leadership has inspired generations for future physicians in Malaysia and inshallah also here in the Philippines. Can we give him a round of applause? Can we recognize the president? And of course, this occasion will not be possible if our CRMC are not present today, especially our top management, Dr. Ishmael Dimaran, our CMPS, Dr. John Maliga, our Chief Nurse, Ma'am Sherazad Ibrahim, our legal unit, Attorney Siti Raihana Santuri, our Professional Education Training and Development Head, Dr. Faisal Galdain, Buenaflor. For Research Unit, Research Institute, we have Dr. Mokhtar Mabang.